What is up everybody on YouTube? This is your boy SRXJS and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you guys know, Christmas is right around the corner, so I partnered up with YouTube to bring you guys this holiday themed unboxing. YouTube is launching a new channel called youtube.com/unboxed that will playlist some of the best and latest unboxing videos from different creators here on YouTube. So hopefully encourage you guys to check out some cool new products that are launching this holiday season. So in today's video, I decided to buy everything that I personally wanted for Christmas. I know it's early, and unbox it for you guys. And of course, to keep things in the holiday spirit / holiday theme, everything will be wrapped and packaged just because. We got a wide variety of things here today, so sit back, get comfortable, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like how this video turned out, and at the end, be sure to always leave me some love in the comments. So yeah, without further ado, let's hop into this unboxing. So present number one is this guy right here. I did package all of these gifts, however, it doesn't make it less exciting, so let's open this guy up. So coming in at number one on the list is something that I've been wanting for a while now, but you know, I just could never bring myself to pay full price because as you guys know, I'm all about, you know, saving my money where I can, and I rarely buy things full price. However, in the holiday spirit, I decided to just, you know what, go ahead and treat myself and buy it. So it is this tan corduroy jacket from ASOS. I really like everything about this jacket. I love the exaggerated pocket. It definitely fits oversized and crop, which if you guys have been watching me for quite some time now, you would know that I'm all about that boxy oversized crop fit. I really like the color, and I think I said it before, but I'll say it again. Corduroy is definitely a move for the fall and winter. Just really happy that I decided to treat myself and get this guy. It actually wasn't really that expensive, but like I said, I just don't like paying things for full price, but overall definitely worth it. I'm really excited to style this piece in particular. So coming in at number one is this ASOS corduroy jacket. So let's open this guy up. So sticking to jackets, this is actually something that I received from a friend on my birthday. However, I plan to buy it for myself on Christmas. That's why I wanted to include it in this unboxing video. It is just this navy blue and black mixed material bomber from H&M. Again, I really like this jacket in particular because I like how they played with the mixed materials, with the satin on the body part and then the faux leather on the arm part. I don't know if it reads on camera, but this is actually navy blue. And one of the things that I really like about this jacket is because the navy blue is so rich, it doesn't really read navy blue, it reads black. But again, I'm fully aware that it's navy blue, but I just thought that that was a cool little detail. But yeah, overall, I just really like this bomber jacket in particular. I also like how it has a stripe detailing around the wrist part, as well as the waistband part right here. This is definitely the perfect nighttime casual jacket. Like I said, I received this from a friend for my birthday, but I plan to get it in Christmas, so it worked out perfectly. So shout out to Williams for buying me this for my birthday. But yeah, coming in at number two is this H&M bomber jacket. Everything that I'm wearing and everything that I'm showcasing in this video will be linked in the description box below, so make sure you guys check that out. Moving on to some smaller but still pretty special items. Coming in next is what's inside this little package right here. Just put this aside. We are talking about my all-time holy grail face mask from Lush. It is this one right here, and it is the Cup O Coffee. It actually worked out perfectly because I just ran out of this, so you already know I had to re-up for sure. Like I said, it is hands down my favorite product from Lush. I featured it on my channel multiple times, and if you haven't already, I highly suggest you check it out. Or if you're just looking for something that's really inexpensive but it comes in really nice packaging, I would highly recommend this. This is perfect for yourself, or it makes for a perfect gift to someone, or like a little mini stocking stuffer. So coming in at number three is this Cup of Coffee face mask from Lush. So the next thing that we're going to talk about is something that I have been wanting for the longest time, but you know, like I said, I just can never bring myself to spend a ton of money, especially on myself, for no reason at all. But like I said, you know, sticking to the whole holiday theme, and because we're in the spirit of giving and, you know, just wanting to treat myself, I decided to, you know, take the plunge and buy these. I've heard so many good things about these products that are in this package right here. So let's go ahead and open it up. So I decided to purchase myself a couple goodies from a brand called Aesop. If you guys don't know what Aesop is, it's just like a skincare company. They do like lotions, hand balms, face masks, face serums, and a bunch of other things. And one of the things that I really appreciate about this brand is the packaging is really on point. As you can see, I've heard so many other YouTubers talk about and feature Aesop on their channel before, and it is definitely a pretty penny. However, like I said, in the spirit of the holidays, I thought I'd just go ahead and make the purchase. I decided to get the chamomile concentrate anti-blemish clay mask, and then I also decided to get get the hand balm in the scent Resurrection Aromatic. I hope I'm saying that right. I decided to get these two things because they're practical and I know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of it, especially the hand balm, because as you guys know, I live in Washington and it definitely gets cold here during the winter and my hands tend to dry out really fast. So I definitely wanted to try out this hand balm because like I said, I've heard nothing but great things about this item in particular. And then of course, you already know, I love me a good face mask. So I definitely wanted to try out this guy right here. So yeah, next up on the list are these Aesop goodies that I have right here. Fun fact, did you guys know that it is pronounced Aesop and not Aesop? I learned that when I went into the store, but Aesop sounds a little weird, so I'm just gonna keep calling it Aesop. But comment down below if you guys knew that. Reaching the home stretch here, I promise we're almost done. This next item that I'm gonna show you guys is definitely one of the smaller items, but still an item that I'm really excited to unbox and an item that I know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of. So let's go ahead and open this guy up. All right, so second to last item up on the list, it is just this vintage brown leather camera strap. I definitely use my camera a lot and I always find myself wanting to buy like a brand new camera. Not necessarily because I need it, but because I get tired of things really fast. So I wanted to get a new camera strap for my camera to, you know, kind of switch things up. Again, I really like this one in particular because I like this whole vintage vibe that it gives off with the color and the distressing of the leather. This is something that I know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of. And although it was a pretty small item, it was definitely on the more pricier side. However, like I said, it's something that I know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of, and it's something that adds a little bit more finesse to my actual camera. So yeah, next up on the list was this vintage dark brown leather camera strap. Coming in last, but definitely not least, is the most tiniest package and the most tiniest gifts of all gifts. It is this box right here. So let's go ahead and open it up. So last up on the list are just these Apple earphones, but the older ones, the one with like the actual long, I don't know what it's called, but it's like the longer audio jack. As you guys know, I do YouTube, so I'm constantly editing videos. And I don't know if you guys know this, but the earphones that come with the new iPhones, I believe it's anywhere from like iPhone 6 to up, those earphones that come with your iPhone don't fit into the MacBooks, or at least the one that I have. So I just went ahead and decided to purchase the Apple earphones, the one from the last generation. So you know, when I go to coffee shops and stuff to edit, I actually have earphones that work. I would have gotten like Bluetooth and wireless ones, but I do notice that at least with the wireless slash Bluetooth earphones that I have, I notice a lag, and that is something that cannot happen because as you guys know, I match up like the cut of my video to the beat of the song, so there can't be any lag. So with that being said, if you guys have any recommendations on some really good wireless slash Bluetooth earphones, definitely leave me some comments down below and I'll be sure to check that out. But yeah, coming in last but certainly not least is not necessarily something that I wanted to get, but something that I needed to get and I know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of. It is these Apple earphones. All right, you guys, that does it for today's video. If you made it this far, you are a real one. Thanks again to YouTube for sponsoring this video to get more inspiration for the holiday season. And if you guys want to see other creators unbox the latest and greatest products, be sure to check out YouTube's new channel, youtube.com/unboxed. Again, everything that I'm mentioning and wearing and showcasing in the video, as well as links to everything about YouTube's new channel, will be linked in the description box below. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below, out of all of the things that I showcased that I bought myself for Christmas, what was your favorite? And also do me a favor and let me know what are some of the things that you guys want for Christmas, because I'd love to see what you guys are feeling lately. Yeah, I think that's it. So until next time, peace.